To carve this chicken, you'll need a chef's knife and a pair of kitchen shears. So we're going to start by going for the thigh first. We're going to cut right along the thigh and expose the flesh of the chicken. So as we do that, we're going to hold onto the drumstick and actually push it open until we hear a snap. So we should see that bone pop right out. And then we're going to cut alongside that bone and remove it from the rest of the chicken. Then we're going to do the same on the other side. So you could also remove the drumstick, but we're going to keep this whole and keep the thigh and drumstick all together. Next we'll go for the wings. So similarly, we're going to cut alongside the flesh. We're going to take the wing and we're going to twist until we hear a crack. Once we do, we'll take our knife and cut right alongside the bone. And we'll take our knife to the other side, twist the chicken wing until we hear that snap, and then cut alongside the bone. Now we'll flip the chicken over to its backside. So here we'll grab our kitchen shears and we'll remove the backbone of the chicken. So you're gonna cut along the right side first, and we're gonna cut through the ribs. So you're gonna hear a few snaps. It might take some work to get there. And we'll cut alongside the other side. We'll crack the whole spinal cavity open. Take your chef's knife again and separate the spinal cavity from the rest of the chicken. And you can hold on to the backbone of the chicken. We can actually use that to make chicken stock. So I'm just gonna remove some excess skin here. Before we flip our chicken over, we're gonna cut through the middle of the breast to make it a little bit easier to separate the breast. We'll flip it on over. We'll find the place where we made an incision, taking our knife, and we'll cut straight through to cut the breast in half. And that's how you carve a whole chicken.